What's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones for free, back again with another informative video. As promised, I said I was gonna make this video for people that are considering using US Mobile and might want to switch or even test them out. Like I said, you could try out US Mobile for free. They got like a free starter kit. You can get 2 SIM cards with it. Either your phone runs on Verizon, your phone runs on T-Mobile network. You have to check that with your phone and your current phones right now. I'm talking about how to save money, and almost practically kind of how to get the money. Not the money, but how to get the cell phone service almost for free, like for forever. Like if this still can, hold you on, or if it can get you by another month or so, or what I'm saying, if you don't have the money right away, these applications will help you. So the first app is called Chime. All right, so Chime has a partnership with US Mobile and Visible Wireless. All right, so you set up a Chime account, which is free to sign up to. It's free to use. You can get a debit card within like a week. Deposit some money on it. I got plenty of videos about Chime. Check out my links in the description box, and use my code to sign up with Chime, and we both can get cash back. But that's besides the point. But they have like a deal with Chime, and all you guys got to do is connect your US Mobile account to your Chime debit card and watch the magic happen. Also, it's a cool feature with Chime called SpotMe. So let's say your card is linked to US Mobile, and US Mobile, it's time to pay your US Mobile bill, right? Well, you don't have enough funds to pay the full bill. Guess what? Chime will pay your bill. Chime will pay whatever you owe, basically. So like if it's like $10 and you got a $10 SpotMe, you could use your $10 SpotMe with Chime, and Chime will pay the phone bill. Okay? But you just also have to remember that your account is still in a $10 negative balance, but it's not a fee. Okay, it's not a fee. That's just how much you owe your bank account. So you owe your account. So just put a $10 over it, and they'll cover it. Okay. I'll talk about that in another way. I got a video about that, so I'll put that link in the description box. So let me get back to home, and I'm finna show you US Mobile deals. So as you can see, I don't care. You guys get that phone number. You can spam it. I only got 73 minutes and 46 text messages. So spam it all you want to, and I don't care. I'm just showing this for purposes, for tips and tricks purposes only. They have a plan where you could do talk and text, or you could do no minutes. You could do unlimited text messaging and data. Okay, so you could choose whether you want to have talk and text plan, which is the lowest rate. I'm gonna show you guys in just a moment. Let me see something. Okay, so here we are. So this is the lowest I think you could get for calls. Yeah, the lowest you can get for call minutes is 75 minutes for $2 a month. The lowest you could get for text messages is 50 text messages, and that's $1.50. So if you do the lowest plan, that's $1.50 for texting and $2 for calling. That's $3.50. I mean, just to keep the phone number active monthly, that's only $3.50 coming out of your account, right? But if you want to do data, here go the data limits. Okay, so if you want to add on data, all right, so 50 megabytes is $1.50, which I think is still very expensive. The best way I go with the $5 500 megabytes if you're just trying to test it out, or even the 2 gig plan, which I'm doing. Just 2 gigs is only $10. But check that out though. You get 6 gigabytes for $20. So I mean that's their best rate. And then they got text messages, 2,000 text messages, $5 a month. And then they got the 1,000 minutes for $6 a month, which, to be honest, I don't even think I go over 150 minutes in a month. Just for regular talking text, because I got all these other messaging apps. So let's just throw calls and texts out the way. Everybody do Facebook, everybody do WhatsApp, everybody do, Instagram and iMessage. That shit don't even cost, man. You know what I'm saying? So we more focus on that. All right. So you get all that, you set it all up, right? Okay, they even allow you to get text messages for your top ups. You can add on data. Now, this is a cool thing. If you add on data with the top up, that doesn't expire when your main phone bill expires. It expires 30 days after you applied the top up. So let's say I applied the top up like 2 days ago, but my phone bill is due like on the 23rd of this month. That top up is due next month, like in March. We're in February. I just paid for my top up this month. It's due next month. But the key is, in order to keep that data going, you gotta pay your talk and text plan or your unlimited data plan, whatever plan you got. You gotta keep that going, rolling, right? So, and that's it. That's all I'm saying. So these are some cool cheap plans from US Mobile. And like I said, you can link it up to your Chime card and get the SpotMe and let them pay for it. Now I'm gonna also show you this picture right here. So you get money back too with your Chime card. So I got like 47 cents back, off the little $3 plan. Okay. And I'm just showing you screenshots because I don't want to go into my main Chime account to let you know. You guys got to set that up and read up on it. Like I said, I'll leave the links in the description box. But this is the most affordable way to get your US mobile plan very cheap. So you can save up to $600 per year with Chime and having a US mobile account. Chime members get free starter kits and their first month free with US Mobile. Use the promo code CHIME21 when checking out. 5G and LTE coverage on the nation's best networks. Unlimited talk and text bundles from as low as $12 a month. Perks like Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify Family, and more included with 3+ line plans. Okay, try risk-free. Again, you could try US Mobile for free. You could sign up to Chime for free. Link your Chime prepaid card to your US Mobile. Put a few dollars on there. And like I said, you guys got to watch the magic happen. As you see from my screenshots, I saved a few bucks. I saved some pennies. But the more you spend, the more money you get back. So you got a $30 plan. You probably get more back than I did. But they have a deal. And like I said, you got to try out the SpotMe feature. I'll put that video in the link in the description box as well. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Was this a very useful video? Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this video helped you save money. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below.